Hey guys, happy new year. It's been a long time, guys, since I've been here on YouTube. A lot of things have happened and it had made me stop recording, but I'm here, guys. I just finished my park run so this is my first park run in 2026 and it was a good one. I hope I did well. So right now I am going back home. Yes, and then there's some major things that I need to do today. And yes, I'm going to the train station right now. Yep. So hey guys, how you guys doing? Happy New Year. It's me, Naturally-Roshani, here again with another video. Guys, I have been MIA here on YouTube for a while now. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Good morning. It's another week, guys. Today's Monday. I am going to the gym to run on the treadmill. Yeah, so let's go to the gym. I did run on Sunday. I did 4.22 miles on Sunday, and it felt so good, y'all. It felt so good, yeah. But today I was like, nah, I ain't gonna go. I'm trying to go run outside today in the morning. I just didn't feel like it. Sometimes you gotta listen to your body, or listen to your mind sometimes. Listen to your heart sometimes, not all the time. Sometimes. That inner gut. The inner gut that tells you, okay, no, don't do this. I just didn't feel like it. So I'm just gonna go to the treadmill, do my little run over there, and get ready for work. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm a little disappointed. All right, guys, so I was like halfway through my 3 laps. You understand? Get my 3 miles done on the treadmill. Oh, but I accidentally like hit the little stop thingy over here. Let me show you guys. It's way too close. See this? So I accidentally pressed on this while I was running with my tummy, right? And it stopped. It stopped, y'all. I was like, man. So I tried to make it up. So I made it up, but it was like, so with this treadmill, like when you start running, it's at 0. So like you gotta run 1 lap, and that lap doesn't count. So the second lap counts. But then you run as fast as you can on the first lap. Like in your mind, it tell you like you already ran. So it's like, okay. It's like you already did the second. So anyway, so I stopped at 0.25. I already did my last mile, okay? So that's 1 lap already. You understand? So that was kind of 3 miles for me. So I did 3 miles in my head. But in reality, I did like 2.6 something. All right. So, and then on the, I'm going to show you on the watch. It says that I did 2 miles on the watch. just kind of accurate. Well, you know, I don't know, but I'm just going with the treadmill, not my watch. But anyways, I did my run today on the treadmill, and I'm happy. I can't complain. I cannot complain at all. So that was good. So I'm just getting ready for work, and then I'll see y'all later. Deuces. Papa ute 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 ooh 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 bum ba ding bing bum da ding da ding ding dun da ding da 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 I find the into boop 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 boom boom beep 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 bum 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 ba hey ute bata ute 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 oh my god, did I just break this thing? Bata ute 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 Hey guys, it's been a while since I came here. I don't know when the last time I did a video. Oh, the gym, right? So I just did my grocery shopping for the whole month.
a whole month, y'all. The whole month. I'm not gonna buy anything else for a whole month. So that's how I've been doing my grocery shopping. So I'm gonna show you guys, you know, what I bought. And yes, so let me show you guys. Yeah, so I did my shopping today. And yeah, so this is it. So this is everything from like the juice right here. I got my bell peppers right here. Got my broccoli, my mixed vegetables, salad, sweet peas right here, or mixed vegetables actually. Salad right here. I got my almond milk, turkey franks, bananas. I think I got avocados somewhere. Oh, avocados right here. I love these Nutri-Grain for breakfast and snack. Right here. I got my bagels because I do love bread, because I do do a lot of running and a lot of strength training, so I need my carbs. I meant to buy one of these. I don't know why I got two, but this is all-purpose flour and bananas. Once again, bread. I do love Italian bread sometimes. What else? Popcorn, snack. Got these popcorn, yogurt, milk for my cereal. These are my cereals that I got: honey crunch and oats. I got crispy oats. I got two of those, and I got water. It's over there. I ain't trying to go over there, but yeah, I got water. And so that's about it, guys. That's my groceries for a whole. This is gonna last me a whole month. A whole month is gonna last me. Yes, I do have some things to cook. I got chicken up there, salmon. So I don't need. So I didn't buy no chicken or any beef. I got those in the freezer. But yeah. But other than that, this is it. Yes, guys. So other than that, guys, this is it. I'll see you guys at a little video. If I don't record again, this is it. If I do, then y'all will see something. But other than that, guys, peace. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.